In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the magnet tool in TradingView. Understanding how to use the magnet tool effectively can really enhance your accuracy when you're plotting data on your chart. So let's dive right in and explore the steps to get you started. To begin, you first need to open any chart on TradingView. Let's say, for example, the BTC USDT, which is a standard cryptocurrency pair many traders use. Once you're there, direct your attention to the drawing tool. It's usually represented by an icon that looks like a pencil or a trend line. Tap on the drawing tool to get started. Now, once you've activated your drawing tool, look around your screen for the magnet icon. You'll typically find this icon in either the bottom menu or the side menu, depending on how your chart layout is set up. Tapping on the magnet icon will bring up a couple of options for you. When you click on the magnet icon, you're going to see options labeled Strong Magnet or Weak Magnet. Start by selecting the Strong Magnet option. The Strong Magnet setting is specifically designed to snap your drawing tools to the candle open, close, high, or low points. This ensures that every time you're plotting a line on the chart, your tool locks precisely onto these specific candle points, which is crucial for maintaining accuracy in your technical analysis. Once you've selected your preferred magnet strength, begin drawing on your chart. With the strong magnet engaged, you'll notice your lines and annotations adhere perfectly to the key data points on the candle, enhancing the precision of your analysis. If, at any point, you wish to disable the magnet function for more freeform drawing, simply tap the magnet icon again to deactivate it. This toggling feature allows you to switch between precision snapping and freehand, ensuring that you can adjust your tool according to your needs. Next, you might want to try experimenting with the weak magnet option. To do this, click again. Instead of selecting strong magnet, choose weak magnet this time. The weak magnet is a bit more flexible and isn't as rigorously locked into data points as the strong magnet. This setting allows for a little more freedom in your drawing movements while still providing some guidance by snapping to the general vicinity of key data points like the open, close, high, or low candle spots. Once activated, start drawing again on your chart. Just like with the strong magnet, you'll find your annotations stay close to key points, but with a bit more lenience for flexibility. This method is great for when you need to be precise, but also want some latitude to adjust manually for analysis nuances. And there you have it, a straightforward and effective guide on utilizing the magnet tool in TradingView. Remember, this tool can be pivotal for refining your technical analysis strategies. Whether you choose the strong snapping effect for exact plotting or prefer a slightly hands-off weak grip for more general guidance. Happy charting!